In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of Messenger not downloading files. First things first, open up your Messenger app. Next, tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings. Now scroll down until you find an option called Data Saver. Tap on it to check its status. If you see that Data Saver is enabled, simply disable it. This feature can restrict downloads when it's turned on. Next up, let's ensure that Messenger has all necessary permissions. Swipe down from the top right corner and tap on the gear icon for settings. Scroll all the way down until you reach Apps. Tap on it. In this section, tap on the search button at the top right corner and type in Messenger. Select it from your search results. You'll now be directed to Messenger's App Info page. Here, tap on Permissions. Make sure permissions for both photos and videos as well as music and audio are enabled. It's also crucial to check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner once more to view quick settings. If you're connected via Wi-Fi but still having issues, try switching over to mobile data, or vice versa, to see if that resolves your download problems. For another quick fix, consider refreshing your connection by enabling airplane mode for just a few seconds before disabling it again. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues affecting file downloads. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.